Well, welcome back. I finished the winter project. The first one was the set of 5, and then I finally found some 3-inch copper tubing, and I had some leftover 2-inch, so I made this set, which is a lot deeper. And I think if I had access to 4-inch, I would probably build one of them. It takes quite a while to build the big ones. It's a lot of hand cutting on the copper tubing. I bought some valves to run the air, and it's a lot better than using a ball valve. These are more spontaneous, and I'll go over there and blow them off for you. So that's it. It gets the dogs barking around here, and there's a ridge about a mile away across the gully there, and I can hear an echo coming from it, so obviously it's got pretty close to a mile reach. So that's it. If anybody knows of any 4-inch copper pipe, I'll buy it off them. Thanks.